Welcome. In this video we are going to learn what are the basic things in Wireshark tool, that is Wireshark Overview. So let's start. Here you can see I have opened Wireshark tool. In Wireshark tool you have many operations. You should know some basic things about the Wireshark. Here you can see the interface list, and you can also see the interface list by clicking on interface list. Here you can see the list of the interface. Now go to edit and select preferences. Now here small window appeared. So let's see what other things are in it. Now I'll select layout. Here you can see how to display pans in different ways. As you can see, the current layout is first one. Select layout according to you. As you see below, you can see what you see in the first pan, second pan and the third pan. Here I selected packet list in the first, the packet detail in the second pan, and the packet bytes in the third pan. Next, you can see what are the things to be displayed on the columns. And next, you can select the text size, and you have many variations to display the text, and you can also have the color option. Now next, go to capture. Here you can see select your by default interface. After you set this, then no need to set the interface while you are starting Wireshark. Next, you can also add your filter expressions. After that, you go name resolution. Here you can resolve MAC address and IP address. Then if you go to protocols, you can see the protocol list. So that's it in this video on Wireshark Overview. We'll see more in this course, so no need to worry if I covered very little on overview in this video. Thank you for watching this video.